Lit, where you at? Hey, Rashid, yo, look at that hit guy. Yeah? Hit guy. We do this for hip hop, y'all. It's all for hip hop. Yo, what's going on there? What's going on there? What's going on there? Is Lily ready? Hey yo, check it out.
Basically live and direct from Paris, from the New York crew, and listen to the world, of course.
First off, take the top off. Too real to be knocked off. $200 slide, my socks off. Movie top, box off. Window without the watch off. Be cautious, no losses, taking the shit.
Yo, Black Eye. Litty has a problem with his USB. Turn the music down, turn the music down. Hey yo, Litty has a problem with his USB, so up next we have Black Eye. Black Eye, where you at? Take your music to the DJ. You know what I mean? My name is Rashid K. Follow me on Twitter, Rashid_K. On Instagram, Rashid_K. On TikTok, Rashid_K. On Facebook, Rashid K. The K is K-A-Y. You better recognize RASHID_K-A-Y. Black Eye, are you ready? That's why I'm saying you must bring 2 USBs. In case your other one has a virus. You know what I mean? Are you guys still having fun? Are you guys still enjoying fan rap? Come on, man. Come on, man. We're gonna put some of these niggas on.